Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome to Jacinta's World. Today I'm making stewed waru. Waru, wanaita kwa kizungu Irish potato. I'm making it with, I'm using just affordable ingredients, the one that are just around you, and it's coming out beautiful and delicious, of course. These are the ingredients we're going to use. We have our warus cut into pieces. We have our onions. We have the carrots there. And then, of course, you're going to use blended tomatoes, which are there. We have salt, and being a Royco cube babe, it's there by now. And before you get into the cooking, kindly make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. So we're going to use this sufuria. And it's hot already, so we're going to pour in our oil. Then we are adding in the warus we had cut into pieces. We are adding them in and turning them until they start looking like they're kind of coming crunchy or something before we add in. So you see where it has gotten, right? It kind of looks like karibu naiva. I'm going to add in our onions and then give it a stir. Then you're going to add our carrots. You see how it looks? The waru looks like already there, like almost getting ready, but now we have to finish the whole recipe. So you see how they look? Very nice. Yeah, adding in our blended tomatoes. See? This is that part that you add in your Royco cube and small salt just for taste. To cover and let it simmer. Look at that. Look at it. You can serve it with anything. You can do it with chapati, you can do it with rice, anything, because it has the stew, it's thick and all that. And it's ready. It's ready. Oh my, the food is ready. And here comes our rice. Just so of course our rice is ready. So we are going to serve the waru. with rice. And look at that plate. Ah, and there you have it, a delicious warm waru stew ready to enjoy. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Thanks for